Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making kale chips in the air fryer. What we need is kale leaves. They're already washed, and make sure you dry them with paper towels if you just wash them. And we need seasonings. I will just use salt and garlic powder. You can use any seasonings you like, and olive oil. Oil is also optional. It's for flavor to make them a little more crispy. So if you'd like them to be oil free, you can just omit the oil. So here are the leaves, and I also cut out the stems because stems don't become crispy. So it's leaves, no big stems, and just add a little bit of oil and sprinkle the seasonings. So here's a little bit of salt and some garlic powder. And now toss it so they're coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put kale leaves in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the kale chips. Look at that. They're crispy, do you hear them? So they're perfectly cooked. Now the air fryer is different, so if yours are not completely cooked, then at this point you can shake them to distribute evenly and put them back in the air fryer for another 2 to 3 minutes until they're cooked. But mine were cooked, so that was enough time. So let me take them out. Perfect, crispy kale chips. So if you want to add more kale into your diet, this is a perfect way to enjoy kale. They're so good. Now let's try it. Crunchy, delicious. They're so addictive. Everybody loves them. They're healthy, crunchy, tasty. You will love making them in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!